Hello, let's play a game. I'll show you a farm animal. Can you say what it's called before I do? Let's get started. What's this? It's a cow. A cow walking in the field. What's this? It's a pig. A happy pig resting and eating grass on the mountain. What's this? It's a sheep. A white sheep with soft, fluffy wool. What's this? It's a horse. A brown horse grazing in the field. What's this? It's a goat. A white goat eating from a tree. What's this? It's a rooster. A proud rooster standing quietly in the field. What's this? It's a hen. A brown hen walking in the green grass. What's this? It's a chick. A cute newborn chick chirping softly. What's this? It's a donkey. A donkey eating yellow flowers in the field. What's this? It's a duck. A duck getting out of the water. What's this? It's a bull. A bull meeting his friend. What's this? It's a turkey. Wow, what a turkey! What's this? It's a dog. A loyal dog always helping us. Very good. Can you guess the farm animal now? I can swim and love the water. Who am I? I'm the duck. I'm strong and can run fast. Who am I? I'm the horse. I'm big and give milk. Who am I? I'm the cow. I have white fluffy wool. Who am I? I'm the sheep. I lay eggs and live on the farm. Who am I? I'm the hen. I'm loyal and always help my friends. Who am I? I'm the dog. I'm strong and have big horns. Who am I? I'm the bull. I'm small, yellow, and very soft. Who am I? I'm the chick. I'm strong and gentle and like eating in the field. Who am I? I'm the donkey. I wake everyone up in the morning. Who am I? I'm the rooster. I'm pink and love eating grass. Who am I? I'm the pig. I have horns and like climbing hills. Who am I? I'm the goat. Very good. Great job, everyone. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.